Over 100 representatives of local governments and local government associations from the whole Southeast Europe met in Pristina on the 14th and 15th of April 2016 for the 11th NALA General Assembly and a thematic session on increasing municipal investment capacities. On the 14th of April, the thematic session, organized in partnership with the World Bank Austria Urban Partnership Program, explored how capital investments at local level can support municipalities to transform into sustainable communities for the benefit of their citizens. Moderated by Ms. Natasha Ilieva-Atsevska, NALA's program officer, the thematic session provoked vivid discussions and exchange. The thematic session focused on the role good governance of municipal finances plays in building investors' confidence. The first panel explored the challenges in capital investment projects at local level, building sustainable communities. Mr. Emil Savov presented the latest NALA's Fiscal Decentralization Indicators report that provides a clear picture about the process of decentralization in the region. The report showed that the progress has been uneven, and there are few places where local government revenues or expenditure approach EU averages, either as percentages of GDP or of total public revenue. Municipalities are underfunded, and central governments are not giving them a fair share of the overall fiscal pie.
Building the knowledge and building the sustainability of local government association is crucial for maintaining the dialogue.
In the panel session focused on the main challenges for municipal investments in different sectors, the hosts of the NALA's task forces on urban planning, energy efficiency and sustainable tourism shared their views on the situation with investments in the relevant sector and the role of local governments in understanding and addressing the investment challenges.
Da bi se otvorila vrata kapitala i ulaganja u turističke potencijale, nužno potrebno je promijeniti krovne zakone i na taj način povećati kapacitete općina, jer bez povećanja kapaciteta općina turistička priča o kojoj smo mi govorili sigurno neće ići onim smjerom kako bi trebala ići i kako bismo mi željeli.
The second panel focused on creating investors' confidence through good governance of municipal finances. The World Bank's Municipal Finance Self-Assessment and the Urban Audit Tool were presented, while representatives of Bijeljina, Kisela Voda and Gazibaba talked about their experiences with the use of the tools and the benefits they got.
The MFSA helps the local government to assess their financial position, and they get more clarity on what their structure of revenues and expenditures are. They get also a sense of what to expect in the next few years through their financial projections, which the MFSA helps them to do. And in that sense, if you are a private investor, what you want to do is to make sure that the local government's financial position is in good standing.
In the third panel, participants got the chance to listen about and learn from the practices of municipalities successful in attracting funding and creating infrastructure value. The cases of Istanbul, Rijeka, Danilovgrad and Štime were presented.
Ono što je posebno važno ljude koji ulažu u našu opštinu je sljedeće, da imamo najniže komunali u Crnoj Gori i ono što je baš posebno vrijedno istaći je da morate imati administraciju koja sve papire izdaje za 24 časa. Jer mi smatramo opštinu Danilovgrad da biznis nema pravo da čeka, da mi treba da idemo u susret biznisu i upravo zbog toga je u našu opštinu i veliki broj investicija koje otvorili veliki broj radnih mjesta.
Development agencies can play a vital role in the innovative projects of municipalities, because we know that municipalities can hardly bear their services, infrastructure services, so they cannot share some of their funds to innovative projects and social projects. So development agencies help them to achieve these goals.
The fourth, last panel focused on the current and emerging opportunities for funding municipal investments in Southeast Europe. A fund for pool financing and joint borrowing operations is a new interesting initiative in Bulgaria. The fund will provide funding and guarantee for joint municipal investments through bond issuing for projects that are not eligible for EU funding. The fund will ease the access to financing for investments, especially important for smaller municipalities.
Има периоди през годината, в които общините получават целево финансиране от държавата, но не го харчат веднага, така че те без риск могат да го внесат във фонда за няколко месеца. По този начин ще има и доходност, а други общини в този момент ще се възползват за кратко да да получат и за да си довършат проекта.
The thematic conference concluded with launching of the book Municipal Finances, a handbook for local governments, published by the World Bank.